Good afternoon to all. Audible, sir? Yeah. Uh, Sir, I'm presenting a project entitled Improving Rural Livelihood through Collection, Domestication, and Establishment of Indigenous Fruit Trees in Arid Zone. Sir, regarding some of the introduction to the project, basically, yeah. Sir, regarding the scope, uh, the indigenous fruit trees, they are having ecological resilience, nutritional richness, and cultural values with regard to arid zone. Okay, sir. Sir, then coming to why there is need. So, sir, first, uh, though we are having a couple of indigenous fruit trees in arid zone, but we lack till date scientific documentation. Secondly, one of the major problem is with increase in the area under cultivation with the yeah, sir, I will just come to that. Yeah. Yeah. Sir, I will come to in the later part. Yeah. So, sir, basically with increased mechanization, all the indigenous trees which are lying in the middle of the field, they are being damaged. They are being slowly vanished. So we need to have a selection. We need to have some propagation, and we need to have some participatory on-farm trials for their really commercialization. Basically, this project aims to collect, geotag, and characterize drought-tolerant fruit species. We are having a number of fruit species. Sorry. Then we need to develop efficient propagation techniques for mass multiplication of these species. Basically, sir, in arid zone, these are underutilized, these are neglected, these are orphan crops. Just to cite an example, we are having annual demand of 5 lakhs of Thar Shobha Khejri. We can hardly cater to their need, 20,000, 50,000. So there is a need for standardization, mass propagation. Then we need to have on-farm establishment for evaluating their survival percent, growth, yield, and accessibility. Then there is assessment whether they are really fruitful with regard to livelihood, with regard to nutrition, or with regard to ecological impact. Basically, for the methodology portion, in this effort, we have selected 3 districts, that is Pali, Jodhpur, and Jaisalmer. One of this is aspirational district. We have partnered with Gravis. Since we are a research organization, Gravis is having handholdings of the entire villages and the western Rajasthan. So we have tied neck with the Gravis. Regarding, sir, food plants, we have selected the major arid zone food plants. Major of them are Bear, Gonda, Bel, Karunda, Jamun, Falsa, Tamarind, Mulberry, Khejri, and we have identified the prominent varieties also. And sir, we are in a position. We at Kazri we are producing more than 2 lakhs of plants per year. We are having the mother block of all these fruit plants. We are having the mother block of all these prominent varieties. Like we are having prominent block of Thar Shobha. We are having prominent block of Lakshmana, the tamarind variety. In Bear, we are having the mother block of 46 varieties which cater to the different area, taste, and the requirement of the farmers. We are having Aula, we are having Bel. So we are in a position to cater to the needs of the farmers if this project is recommended. And secondly, we are having partnership with the Gravis. We are having identified farmers. We are having KVKs in all these 3 districts. We are having our Kazri Krishak Mitra in all these 3 districts. So we can move far. And sir, this is some scientific, that is baseline survey, germplasm collection. Sir, germplasm collection till date, we are having a wealth of indigenous plants. There are very good varieties which are still unexploited till date. So while doing all this exercise, we can come across many varieties which can be utilized, which are very superior to the already existing varieties. Sir, we are selecting 3 districts. We are selecting 10 villages from each of these 3 districts, and from each of the 10 villages we are selecting 15 farmers. These farmers with the with the variety of fruit crops, with their liking, with their PRA, will go for the crops. Basically, sir, in our Rajasthan, particularly in these 3 districts, where to plant, because as already Rajendra ji told, there is a variety of natural calamities. So we will go for the places where, because most of the farmers, they live in the field itself, near their farm, where the area is covered, the area is safe, near the well or the tube well, where there is plenty of water, near animal shade, because these trees, they are doing the dual work, that is, they provide shade, cool ness under these during peak summer months, and then near houses and on the field ones also, because we are taking khejri and kumat, 2 prominent plants which can be planted on the tree bunds also. Sir, regarding the outputs, sir, in coming to the nutritional benefits, they are the richest source of vitamins, minerals, proteins, calories. Bale is the richest source of vitamin B. Amla is the richest source of vitamin C. So means it is much clear. Second, they are very rich with regard to improved dietary standards. Sir, we can go for quality planting material by establishment of community nurseries. In NABARD project, we have already established community nurseries in several of our villages. They are doing very well. The reports have already been published in the ICAR reporter. Especially, we are going for capacity building of farmers, that is farm women and women, regarding the cultivation, processing and value addition. With the improved skills awareness, the social outcome will be positive. We will go for FPO and SHGs, which are already in place. Sir, regarding some of the advantages, that is, it will enhance climate resilience. Sir, the last before the budget, that is, we are going for cover all the 3 options, that is scaling, sustainability, and cost efficiency through low cost propagation methods, utilizing already existing community resources. Further, it will lead to the income generation. This is the budget summary. And regarding risk and mitigation, the major problem comes with the low survival. So we'll go for the climate resilient varieties. Then the adoption risk, and then regarding propagation and nursery failure. So we are having the successful models of community nurseries in different villages. And as told that we can go for in situ budding for Gonda, we can go for Bear. So we are having master budders also, which we have developed during last 10 years. So if granted, we can start planting work from July onwards.
Okay, thank you very much.
So beautifully you have combined merged several of the projects in one project, but making it unimportant, because you have already good strength. Over 2 lakhs plants you are preparing,
Yes.
multiplying asexually, which can be directly utilized for this project. Again, you are searching for the new types, promising types, and collecting the Zampla. It will take in another pathway that will be taking for at least 5 years. So merging it with all the existing capabilities or strength you have, that is diluting it. So it has to be modified in a way so that directly you said that in planting season you can come up with that planting program. So it has to be modified accordingly, because both the 3 activities are taking different time scale. So my suggestion is like that.
Still, I will hold by my initial remark. You are improving livelihood through the collection, domestication, and establishment of indigenous fruit. The fruit crops which you have listed, are they not domesticated yet?
Sir, they are domesticated.
You change the title, Baba. It looks like as in nothing. I was thinking something very rare. I mean, arid food crops you are discussing. So the title doesn't match with your activity, what you have shown. You have to change.
Any other question from the group here? No, it's good that you mentioned that you have partnership already with Gravis here and
Take off from there,
huh.
go in situ and take a picture, something visible will come.
Yeah, because there's no research involved because Kadi is doing a lot of research already here. But my question is that about this KJD, the variety you develop here.
Sir.
Do you already working on the tissue culture mass multiplication or not there?
Sir. Sir, in KJD, we are already working on improved varieties. We are having a collection of different accessions from.
Not a collection, the variety which you develop the thornless variety.
Yeah, sir. Sir,
Are it-
Thar Shobha is the variety developed by CIH.
Yeah.
But we are on the neck, that is, we have identified, we are having the varieties, 7 varieties, which are much better than Thar Shobha. And we are in a condition to have the budding material next season.
Okay, right. Okay, thank you very much. Dheeraj.